We've worked out a new technique.
Did you get ya? What do you got there? Oh yeah. Look back a little bit. Fingers. This place can that one. Right there. Maybe one in front. I'll get them. I'm just gonna. Actually, that's pretty good. I'm gonna leave it like that. It's fine, Phil.
That's alright?
Yeah, that's the quote. Take it down to the balcony level. So. Huh? Yeah? There's one on the roof there. Yeah, there's a few behind it there, Phil. Yeah. Right there, that one. Above your head there. Right near your head.
Okay, that's pretty much done now. Getting the last few out.